All right, these headlights were bought off of Amazon for $100 and I believe $35. If I can find the link, I'll put it in the description. For the price, they fit pretty dang good. The only thing I have to complain about is just right here where they were pulled off of their assembly line. I don't know how that looks like they crack them off of where they're assembled, the plastic, but you can kind of see there's an imperfection there, and there's an imperfection here that you can't see quite as well, but that's it on the whole headlight. Everything else, sorry if I'm shaky, but that seems like the only imperfections I can find. I mean, there's a little one right there too, but that's the fitment of the headlight itself. It is the tinted inner, or painted inner I should say, with the clear lens. These are not the HID option, but you can get HID for them, and this is an HID car, by the way. Factory light is somewhere over there, but factory is an HID headlight car. But if you go ahead and go with the non-HIDs, which that's what I did because that's what I could afford at the moment, you can always upgrade these with the ballasts that they sell also on Amazon for like $50 a side, and then you can turn these into HID headlights, which is what I'll do eventually. But yeah, for the money, I would definitely recommend them. They turned out pretty nice. The gaps are nice around the whole fender and hood and bumper area. What else about these things? I obviously don't have footage of me putting them in. You gotta drop the front bumper to get them in. Front bumper's not very hard to take off, but I don't have any video of that, so I apologize. I just really wanted to get this up to show you guys these headlights. They're basically the Spec D headlight, except the Spec D version of this is like almost $200. So if you get them on Amazon, you can save like $75. And yeah, that's the look. So appreciate it, guys, for watching. Let me know if you got any questions.